friend Adam needs a patient advocate. Adam, I've got a friend of yours outside.
Look, is she talking about Jocelyn?
I'm talking about this.
My guitar. I wasn't sure what happened to it when I moved to this room.
Oh, we were keeping it for you.
Thank you.
No, thank Jocelyn. She's the one who brought your guitar from the park the night you were admitted. She knew you'd want it.
I was hoping you'd outgrown this thing. Well, it's time we got your priorities straight.
Can you imagine anything more beautiful or appropriate than St. Anthony's and Bensonhurst? The entire neighborhood will be there. All the Cerullos and the Falconeries and Father Tom. Oh, he does a great service.
Oh, we already asked Gregory to officiate.
Oh, Gregory, not to worry. Father Tom is very liberal. I'm sure he would have no problem sharing the pulpit. So, have you thought about the reception?
One idea is a yacht.
Okay, well, that is romantic in theory. It is risky in practice. I mean, the night before my second wedding to Ned, the one that was actually sanctioned by the church as opposed to the quickie one when I thought I was marrying Eddie May. Well, we had a yacht cruise and the ship ran aground and almost sank with the entire wedding party and family and friends on board.
So we should be looking at venues on dry land.
But some risks are worth taking. Could you imagine a moonlight cruise off Coney Island? Huh? I mean, we could welcome all of the guests on board under the Brooklyn Bridge, and then we can sail around Ellis Island and the Statue of Liberty, and then when everybody's ready to disembark, we can send them off with popcorn. Doesn't that sound spectacular?
Spectacular. I have to say, we're
Speechless.
well, I'm not. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, has been a couple days. Because we're in the middle of putting out the first magazine with my name on it, and my head's spinning. I'm going crazy. I don't know.
With you here and Nina gone, Crimson has already improved. So we're gonna see.
I don't know about that. I mean, I despise the woman, but she knew a lot more than I do about putting a magazine out.
Nina learned on the job. You're gonna learn on the job too. You're a natural leader. You've already run a big company, and you've got great taste. If I do say so myself, it's only a matter of time before you surpass her.
Give up your confidence.
Yeah, 6 months from now, less. Nobody's even gonna remember that Nina ran this place.
Nina who?
Best business decision I have ever made is making you editor-in-chief of Crimson.
Oh! Michael! Hey!
You got a minute?
Evaluation, and it turns out it's up to him if he wants to go home or go back to school or remain here at General Hospital for observation.
I think Adam just wants to live his life and not feel he's one big disappointment. Can you help him?
I'll do my best. There's no underestimating the hold a parent has on a child. Tracy, before you insist that the wedding be in this house with a bunch of snooty waiters and unnecessary etiquette, I want you to think about what Brooklyn and Chase want.
So no more petty fighting with Lois and Olivia about the reception or argue with Ned about anything. Really, all that matters is that those two beautiful souls belong together. And we all do everything we can to help make that happen. We understand each other.
We do.
Because this is supposed to be a celebration.